Hello children, this is Sadhana and Priya for Learn and Learn channel.
Hello guys, I'm too small of you.
Yeah, she's so small. Okay, coming to the video, it's the topic of properties of addition, subtraction and multiplication. Shall we start children? Ready with your notebooks? Because Priya is going to ask you questions at last. We shall start now. Here we go. Okay children, shall we start? We shall start now. Properties of addition. Priya, go and make your questions.
Don't shout at me or else I will cry.
I will go and make my questions. Okay children, coming back. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, right? That is Miss Giant Hand. Here I come. 2 plus 2. 1, 2 is equal to 4 children. That is given here by Sadhana. By Mrs. Giant Hand. Thank you. So, did you understand that? That is, both the 2's is called addends and the answer, that is 4, is called the sum. First two numbers addends. Last number, that is your answer, sum. Plus this symbol is called SOA. It's easy to remember, right? That is symbol of addition. Very easy topic. So I think you will easily grasp it. I started the properties now. Any number added to 1, the sum is the successor of the number. What is mean by successor, children? I think you know. Well, that is the next number. That's all. Nothing more important. Successor is the next number. Just remember like that. What is 3 plus 1, children? It's 4, right? Because after 3, 4 will come, right? So that is the property here. The next property, any number added to 0, the sum is the number itself. 0 has no value, children. So that only this property is assigned here. Next is properties of a subtraction. So, the next property. Any number subtracted by 1, the difference is the predecessor of the number. We know successor. What is meant by predecessor, children? Predecessor is nothing but the before number. That is given here. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, which is predecessor of 5. Any number subtracted by 0 is the difference. Any number subtracted by 0, the difference is the number itself. 0 has no value. Keep it in mind, children. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. We are in properties of multiplication, children. Multiplicand is the first number. Multiplier, second number. Product, the answer. This cross symbol represents the symbol of multiplication, that is SOM. Any number multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. Yes, children. 5 plus 0, that is 5 into 1. That's the example for this. And any number multiplied by 0, the product is 0. If you do lakhs of numbers multiplied by 0, the answer is 0 only, children. Shall I say you an interesting thing? Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. In the above example, 3 into 5, that is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 15. That's the note I have given. So, Priya is ready with the questions. Shall we answer to them, children?
Hello friends, I made the questions. I have given answer for the first one.
you are going to do the other four questions. Pause the video, friends, and do the rough. Be ready with the answers. I will dictate the answers after you finished your questions. I've given the answers for you. Second one, 10 plus 0. What's the answer, children? Yes, friends, it is 10 only. Yay! What is 3 plus 5, friends? Yes, friends, it is 8. Wow, we are so good in the addition part. Then, next one, 6 plus 4. What's the answer? Yes, it is 10. Very well. 11 plus 11. What's plus 1? 1 plus 1? 2, right? That is 22. Yay! You finished the questions for addition.
A bit difficult for me, subtraction. I know the answers, but you have to do it. All the 5 questions. I won't give the answers. Pause the video. Do the sum. Ready with the answers.
I'll be coming.
Here are the answers. Here are the answers.
The fifth one is bit tricky because 1 minus 6 is not defined as 1 is a smaller number than 6. I think Sadhana didn't tell you this, right? She's like that only. Don't worry, I will say that. Now, questions for multiplication.
Questions for multiplication. Very tricky. You should pause the video, be ready with the answers, and come and unpause the video.
I am ready with my answers. I finished. 5 into 3, 15. 10 into 1, 10. 6 into 0, 0.
7 into 1, 7. 6 into 5, 30. That's all questions. Wait a minute. Sadhana will come.
Bye, children. If you like this video,
like, share, comment and subscribe. Learn and learn. Bye.